keeping the wheels greased. Not just on the motorcycle, but also those wheels in my head. Being a new rider, I find it beneficial to take long rides close to home. Rides with many starts and stops, curves, and potential hazards. And what better place than the streets of your familiar yet unpredictable neighborhood? You see, I'm not out here learning new tricks. The mission is to maintain what I've already learned. Heads up, look where I want to go, be prepared for the unpredictable. Meanwhile, I'm continuously reminding myself to loosen my grip, relax my elbows and shoulders, and use gentle and smooth inputs to the motorcycle's controls. And of course, I want to obey the laws, and I don't mean the laws created and implemented by mankind. I'm referring to the laws of physics, like the law of gravity, which, by the way, is offset by the gyrostatic motion of the wheels spinning on the motorcycle. That is until I stop, then my feet must intervene or I'll surely fall over. Then, more complicated, is the law of motion. Also known as inertia, it is that an object in motion tends to stay in motion unless an external force acts upon it. And when I'm on my motorcycle and in motion, I must become that external force, lest it be a tree, a building, or the side of a car. I also couldn't help but notice that the faster the motion, the more resistant it is to changing directions. So when I'm approaching a curve, I must slow my motion and stay within the parameters of the motorcycle's ability. While I haven't taken my motorcycle to the edge of its ability, I know that the faster I go into a curve, the more I have to lean the motorcycle, and the more I lean the motorcycle, the greater the chance of losing traction. Knowing the limitations of myself and my machine are important aspects of riding safe, and while confidence that is earned through experience can be an asset, overconfidence can be a liability. Taking that curve a little faster each time I go through it is not going to prove anything, except for what's beyond the limitations of myself and my machine. Fatigue is also very important to track, and I've been riding for close to an hour now, so it's time to take a break. Oh, let's get off this contraption. My new foot for the kickstand actually works pretty good. Doesn't sink down in there at all. Let's turn this off. So here I am. Bam. Look at me. Peace out, bro. Fuck yeah. We're on camera. Do you like it? Yeah. My hands get sore pretty quick, but then they go numb and everything's cool. So maybe we'll kick it here for a second. And yeah.
A few moments later.
Okie dokie. We're back. Put our gloves back on. Yeah. So that we don't lose them. And because I need them. And it's always good to take a little break, especially when you're new, to rest your hands, rest everything, because fatigue, from what I understand, and I can feel it at times, is what causes many crashes, and we don't want to crash, do we? No, we do not. So we're going to hop back on this bad motor scooter, and we are going to head out. After my break, I continued to ride for about 40 minutes or so. And although this was not an epic journey to a specific location, the benefits were numerous. There were countless starts and stops, curves and turns, upshifting and downshifting, all the experience I get very little of when going for a ride that involves long stretches of road where the controls only have to be used occasionally. You see, riding dual sport means that I have to acquire and maintain commuter skills, dirt skills, and everything in between. And with that, we'll call this a video. Thanks for watching, and ride safe.